Alright, so welcome back again to my video. So in this video we are going to talk about how to add the domain name from Namecheap to A2 hosting provider. So we also add the necessary certificate. So after that, so let's just begin. I'm just going to use A2 hosting as a hosting provider, and then Namecheap as a domain name provider. So this is the domain name you are just going to add to the A2 hosting. So if you want to connect them, so you just have to go to the Namecheap and go to manage your domain name, click on the manage, and here you scroll down on the name server. So as you can see, I have already added these name servers, so just have to go to the choose an option here as custom DNS and then add these 4 name servers from the hosting provider. You can just get them on the account details here in your dashboard of A2 hosting. So click on the account details. So these are the name servers we are just going to add on your domain name. So after that, you just have to click on the green icon here and then save. It might take 48 hours to just make an effect. So and then after that, you just have to go to your A2 hosting dashboard and go to the cPanel login, and on the cPanel is where you are going to access all the tools for your website and everything. So if you don't know about cPanel, you just talk about it in the next video. So go on the search bar here on your website and search for domain. Click on the domains, and here you just have to click on the create a new domain name. As you can see, I don't have any domain name, so I'm just going to click on the create a new domain, and here I'm just going to paste in my domain name, which is this one. So you can just go get your link of your domain name on your dashboard and here, and then add it here in your hosting on the domains, and then click on the share document route, and then after that click on the submit, and it can take a moment to create a new domain. So as you can see, it is successfully created. So alright, so after adding your domain name to A2 hosting, so you can just add a necessary certificate to that domain name. So just go to the cPanel, go back to cPanel, and just search for SSL certificate. So now just click on here on the SSL status, and or you can even click there. So after that, you are just going to click on the domain name that we have already added. So and then after that, you're just going to run auto SSL. So you can click on this one and run for an auto SSL, and it might take some time to automatically be added, or just even some few seconds. So you just have to wait for some 24 hours, and then you will see it will just turn to green. So just wait and it will turn to green, and then yeah, thanks for watching, and remember to like the video and comment if you have any question, and let's meet in the next video. Thanks.